पूरा बोले बोले तो खरीद नहीं करते इसको दे दिन भर बोलने का है बढ़िया आया तो दे पानी
सभी के जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाती है। सफलता और सुखी जीवन बनाने के लिए जिस तरह शरीर के लिए भोजन की आवश्यकता होती है, उसी तरह की उचित शिक्षा प्राप्त करना बहुत जरूरी है। अध्यापक और शिक्षा में इतना ही फर्क है। अध्यापक सबक सिखाकर इम्तिहान लेता है, जिंदगी इम्तिहान लेकर सबक सिखाती है। अच्छी शिक्षा प्राप्त करने का सबसे पहला उद्देश्य अच्छे नागरिक बनना। हम बिना अच्छी शिक्षा के अधूरे हैं। शिक्षा हमें सही सोचने वाला और सही निर्णय देने वाला बनाती है। शिक्षा की जड़ें करती है।
चलो ठीक है बच्चे, थैंक यू।
morning. My name is Mohammad Afam Hussain. I am studying
ये बीच में है ना, ये बीच में है।
about different types of transport.
You have to show with your hands. Show hands now.
Transport, air transport, rail transport, water transport. Road transport is a kind of transportation by road, example, bus, car, auto, car. Air transport is a kind of transportation by air, example, airplane, helicopter.
Very good.
Good morning, my name is Sanjay. I am studying second class. My topic is healthy food. Healthy eating means eating a variety of food that give you the nutrients you need and energy. These nutrients include protein, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, nutrition is important for I am studying second class. My topic is that healthy food. Healthy food. Healthy food also is healthy food. High in nutrients and high. So he nutrients fit food.
Believe.
Because it's about important like thank you. Good morning, my name is Neha. I am studying the second class. My topic is
चलो गुड है। टॉपिक वही है ना, गुड है। पीछे देखिए, पीछे ऐसा लगा। देखिए वो सॉरी आइडियल वो टिड्डे में पीछे खड़े हो चिंगम खा रहे हो बोलो बोलो। आवाज से बोलो, आवाज से बोलो। आप बोलिए। इसके वजह से बनी तुम ले लो।
डग 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 डगरी बजाता भालू आला भालू काला
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia from 8th standard. Today here I am representing Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the highest judicial court under the Constitution of India. Here the matters of the Constitution of India may be specifically recorded into the Constitution, and as the citizens of India we can go to the High Court and Civil Court. Directly we can go to the Supreme Court if we having to uphold the Constitution in India is the protect rights and liberties of citizens and uphold to the Constitution. Thank you. Good afternoon. I am the studying class and today I am model in the rainwater and rainwater is the gift of.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sanamika. I am studying in 9th standard. Today we are representing the solar system.
I am Salena of 9th standard. Today we are representing solar system. Solar system is a fascinating place. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Each 8 planets have their unique features. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Sun is the center of the solar system. It is the only source of light of the solar system. The solar system is made up of all the planets that orbit is our Sun.
Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Similar to Moon, closer to Sun, the temperature is 400 degrees Celsius. Saturn has ring. We can see our eyes without telescope because it is the brightest planet in our solar system. Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Feedback, sir.
Very. Bro, what is that?
Good afternoon, sir. I am Muzamil. I am studying in 9th class. This is Rust volcano.
Volcano is a rupture in the crust where molten lava, hot ash and gases from below the air.
I will see you. This is the vinegar. I am putting in the sorry. This is baking soda. It is coming is called lava.